Hey guys, today there's good news and bad news. I'll do the good news first and the bad news at the end of the video. So the good news is we're going to be doing a video, obviously, you can tell. Today we're going to be doing trades and makeovers. First, we're going to do the makeover and we are doing it to a girl called Awesome, Amazing, Night. So make sure you subscribe. Well, she doesn't have a YouTube channel, so just make sure you, go out her, I guess, because it's a girl's backup. She said that she wants to have a makeover. So yeah, let's log on. Oh, and guys, in my next video, I might do account giveaway, but not on this one. Loading. So okay, let's do this. Awesome, amazing. Nine and now her password, which I would not say. She said there's over 2 passwords. She doesn't know which one it is. She gave me 2 passwords just in case it was wrong. I think we got it right because we're logging in. Yay! I've actually always wanted to do makeovers, so. Okay, let's go do some makeovering. Okay. So this was the girl, Winter Snow, that was her name. You say I'm recording now. Recording now. Say hi. Makeover by Lillian. Capital B. Lillian. Go add me on my account, guys. That'll be great. So yeah. And guys, make sure you send gifts for mail time. Let's go get. Wait. Oh no, I can't do that, can I? My laptop. Let's go on Movie Town. Okay, we're gonna make an Albert saying who the things by. I think she just actually made this account. That's mean. Yeah, she just made this account. Okay, let's go on this one. Makeover by Lillian. Oh no, it's not even typing. Makeover by Lillian. Got to be Bloom. Okay, makeover by Lillian Bloom. Okay, so let's stretch that out. Actually, I need it to be big. Can't get it out. Ugh. Let's move this to the side a bit. Ugh. Oh no, I need to move it. Makeover by Lillian Bloom. Okay, now I'm gonna put her at the bottom. Okay. Okay, that's me, and that's me. Okay, let's put her there, and put me there. I am going to be happy, because that's what everyone should be happy, you know? Okay, now onto this girl here. Let's make her happy, come on. Happy! Okay, now, okay, there we go. Oh, she looks happy. Now let's do the background. So, and guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Exit and by Lillian Bloom. By Lillian Bloom. Okay, so it's all made. Hopefully we level up because man, we need more coins to get some stuff. Okay, let's see how we can level up and get some coins. So, oops, back. How to? Oh, yes, I said. Let's go shopping. I doubt there's be anything which costs that small amount of money. No offense, but yeah. Let's go shopping. Oh wow. Yeah, there's nothing which is 100 and sorry. Not even these freckles. They look cute on her. Let's do an accessory. Usually those are a bit cheap. Look, as you can see, There's something here, which is not that much. But there's also this. That's not that much. Oh, I thought it'd be bigger than mine. But 150. That's not much at all. And we don't even have enough money for that. So, how about that? That's cute. I'll buy that for her. Bye. There you go. She's got something in her hair now. Let's get her changed. I hope she has other clothes. Yeah, let's do it. Wow, I'm really tired actually. Let's get her some shorts. Oh, this is nice. A nice t-shirt here. Alright, more shoes. Right, does she have any more trousers? Tops. Ooh, I like that one. Ooh. Let's get her. Okay. So guys, shout out to her. What was I gonna say to her? I disobeyed you. What? I didn't get that. What? I'm just gonna do something. Okay. Let's just, does she have any hair? Because, Mom, I need new hair for her. Yeah, she does have new hair, but this hair nobody likes. Which is sad. Sad. Okay, she only has nothing big. Okay. There you go. Let's give her... I think she's ready. There we go. Makeover is all done. It's not best because she doesn't have much stuff on best. But I hope it's good enough. Oh guys, comment down below when Rare Week is, because I've been wondering like my whole life. Because I have never been on a Rare Week, so yes. Let's log out now. I'm just gonna say logging out. Ooh, logging out. Logging out. Logging out. Oh, she said yeah, I don't get that, but hey ho. Okay, we're logging out here. Right, guys, it's near the end of the video. So yeah, I'm really scared. But guys, add my mum and please send gifts because she's doing a meal time. She named herself Mama Mason 67. Okay, guys, and then I am going to show you all the gifts she has. One person sent me a gift because I said mealtime, but I didn't say who it was. So then I opened the gift and sent it to my mum. And I've sent her some gifts, and this girl is really nice. So I'm going to go on her right now and give her a shout out, you guys. Alright? Look, there's a friend. So, there's the bad news there. Hope you guys can't see it. Okay, I think it was this girl here. Look what she sent. Right, I've sent this. Yeah, it was this girl. I just want to give a shout out to her. And this girl, I don't know who she is. Sorry. Oops. Let's say, hey, recording. You got a shout out for sending. Oops. Gifts. XX. There you go. Okay, look, these, I'm not going to open them, because I'm going to open them with my mum. So yes, guys, please send gifts. She really wants them. And, yeah, let me just say to this recording, if she could send gifts, that'd be great. Recording. Send gifts for mail time, please. XX. Let's see if she answers. Okay, that's just weird. 11 friends. These are... Who are they? I probably should change her. Oh, she's pretty. Ooh, I like her. I sent my character, my mum's characters, lots of stuff. So, yeah. Guys, we're nearly at the end of the video. I don't have any to send. I will late. Okay, thanks. You know what? Let's go there and then check if she has lots of stuff. Then you can see she's lying. She's probably is because she is a drip hat, guys. Come on, let's go. And if she says, "Oh, I barely have any stock coins," that's probably because she spent it all on a load of stuff. So she should have lots of stuff. It's just loading. Look, she does have loads of stuff. 2, 3. Wow, look at all of that. 8 slides. That's a lot. I have more, but that's a lot. Oh, I like that one. Let's take off the drip hat real quick. She has a lot of things, guys. So if she says that she doesn't, she does. But yeah. I don't know what that hair is about. Right. Oh, I like that one. Ooh. I like all of her things here. Like, all of them. Look, she's so pretty there. In that thing. Again. Okay, I like them shoes. I like these ones too. But I like them. Oh, they're pretty. They're all pretty. Let's get her these on and press OK. So I've made her a look. Let's call it no, I won't call it that. Let's call it cute. Okay, we have a few minutes left, about 4 minutes. Oops. Oops, no thank you, don't want to do that. Let's go. Does she have anything here? Open this gift tomorrow. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do anything wrong. Messages. Let's see the messages. Hey, okay. It's my giveaway, please. Okay. Oh, okay. That's what she said. Hello there. Aww. You're so kind. Hello there. That is so nice. Like in the other video, he asked out my mum. Good. HB. That means how about you? Oops, that's bad. As you can see, we're nearly finishing, which is terrible. Guys, I want you to comment down on my YouTube. What was I gonna say? What you think of the videos and what I can do better. Whack that subscribe button. Press the notifications, and yeah, just have fun, guys. Let's log on my account really quick. I want to see if I have any gifts. And please send gifts to me as well, because I'm also doing a rare mail time, so yes. Password 1. Alright, we're nearly finishing. 2 more minutes, so yeah. Loading. What happened there? I've just got logged out somehow. That is very weird, actually. Oh no, we have like 1 minute left. Oh, wow, I'm excited. Friend request, let's accept it. Because I wasn't able to accept it. I need to answer it. Yes, I'll be your friend. Let's see if I have any gifts. I really want some. Gifts? Oh, no gifts for me. Ooh. Send gifts for mail time, please. PS recording. Guys, I think I'm gonna have to make a part 2 of this. I'm like 2 seconds away, and I'm on 4%. Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. I'm gonna make a part 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.